Hi, I want to tell you about this 3-in-1 charger. This has simplified my life so much because I'm not looking for cords. I'm not trying to figure out how to plug in 3 different things at one time, and it just makes it so much easier. This charger looks a little like this. You can charge your AirPods down here. You can charge your iPhone or Apple Watch right here. And then you can also charge your iPhone just like that. You could also turn it this way too if you want. It's really convenient. So this makes it really simple, and it just plugs right into the wall, and you throw everything on and you're good to go. Another great feature is once your device is fully charged, it will stop charging in order to help protect your device. I also love the fact that this is completely compactable and really easy to just throw in your purse or your bag, whether you're traveling or you just want to take it with you to work. It folds up real small within seconds. When you're ready to use it again, you just pop it open and then pop the side and you plug it in and you go. So I like to keep it on my nightstand. Once you plug it in, you see that there is a flashing light here. If you tap the light button, it will adjust the speed that your color changing lights rotate. So if you push it 3 times, it'll turn that light completely off. When you plug in your AirPods, the blue indicator light will show that your AirPods are charging. Once they're fully charged, it will stop flashing. Here, this shows the charging status of my watch, and the same for my phone. I also love that I can still use it, look at notifications, and adjust it. This also lets me choose the angle that I'd like to look at it with. Any device that is MagSafe compatible works with this charging pad. All the magnets are already built into the devices, so there is nothing you need to add or install. This charger comes with the base for the charging. It comes with your wall block and your cord. This device has made it so easy to charge all of my things. I don't need to worry about a cord. I know that it's going to be protected as it's charging. It feels really durable. I think it will hold up for a really long time, and it won't be easy to damage, thankfully, because I'm not always the most gentle with the things that I use. So I'm really impressed with this. It is way more convenient and easy to use than I expected, and I really can't see myself going back to a normal cord plugged into the wall. This is easy access to keep track of all of my belongings right next to my bed, or I can throw it on my desk, wherever I'm gonna be. So love it. It's really great, and I'm gonna keep this for a while. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.